Consider the equation sine of x plus y by 2 equal to 0. Can you graph this equation like on a graph paper? Now, the first question we have to ask is, when is sine theta equal to 0? For what values of theta? Let's start by drawing a unit circle with center O. Let's draw the point P, which will be rotating along the circumference of this circle. Let's join O and P, and this rotating needle will tell about the sine of the angle. I'll mark the angle with the name alpha. So as P changes, the position of P changes along the circumference, alpha also changes. Now we are interested in the sine of alpha. For example, in this particular position of P, sine of alpha is 0.72. But if I change the position of P, the value of the sine of alpha also changes. So what is the meaning of sine of alpha? Well, you draw a perpendicular from the point P on the x-axis, and the length of that segment, the length of the perpendicular PA, that's the measure of sine of alpha if you divide it by the radius, that is OP. Because sine of alpha is perpendicular by the hypotenuse, or the length of PA by the length of OP. So as the length of PA changes, you can see the value of sine of alpha changes. And it becomes 0, sine alpha becomes 0 when the length of PA is absolutely 0. So the line PA is lying flat on the x-axis. And that can happen in two ways. It's either at 0 degrees, or if it's on the other end, which is at 180 degree or pi radian. So it's at 0 radians, or it happens at pi radian. In fact, it will also happen at 2 pi radian, that is 360 degree. It will also happen at 3 pi radian, and so on. So if you take any multiple of pi for that angle, sine of the angle will be 0, because the needle will lay exactly flat on the x-axis, and the value of perpendicular by hypotenuse or opposite by hypotenuse, that would become 0. Okay. And it also works with the negative angle, that is, if you go to the negative direction. So negative pi, negative 2 pi, negative 3 pi, those things will also give sine of the angle 0. If theta, or the angle, is k times pi, where k is any natural number or negative integers or 0, then sine of theta is equal to 0. So this gives us the answer, when is sine of x plus y by 2 equal to 0. Well, it's precisely when x plus y over 2 is some constant times pi. Pi's value is, of course, approximately 3.14. For example, x plus y equal to 0, or x plus y equals to plus or minus 2 pi, or x plus y equals to plus or minus 4 pi, and so on. This is x plus y equals to 0. This is x plus y equals to 2 times pi. This is x plus y equals to negative 2 times pi. Remember, the value of pi is 3.14. Similarly, this is x plus y equals to 4 pi, x plus y equals to negative 4 pi, x plus y equals to 6 pi, x plus y equals to negative 6 pi, and so on. So it's a family of straight lines that we get. You find a graph for absolute value of x plus absolute value of y equals to 1. Can you find the number of solutions of this particular equation with sine of x plus y over 2 using what we have learned? Put a comment in the description if you can, and I will respond to it. Keep on doing great mathematics. I'll see you in the next one.